Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing question number 2A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing here the all the PDF and the handwritten assignments. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. So here the question number 2A, which is imagine if ionosphere is not located in atmosphere, then what kind of challenges we could face? Mention any two challenges. So this question is taken from the lesson 6 and this question is about 40 to 60 words. And we have prepared of all the answer of all the subjects, not for this only. We have prepared all the answer of geography also. So if you need this, contact us today so we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries, you can contact us anytime so we will provide your queries answer. So thank you so much and we will meet you soon in the next video.